Nobody cares about you.
What's up guys, Sal here. So if a new rumor is to be believed, you're gonna have some tough choices to make when picking out your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. A source on Chinese social site Weibo, supposedly having spoken to an insider, is claiming that the Galaxy S9 will ship with 4GB of RAM and storage capacity options of 64 and 128GB. But where things get really compelling is the Galaxy S9 Plus. According to this source, the S9 Plus will ship with 6GB of RAM, but will offer 4 capacities: 64GB, 128, 256 and a massive 512GB. The largest size will reportedly only be available in select markets and in limited quantities. It would also be wise to take this information with a grain of salt, as it comes with a rather unknown source. So who knows how accurate the information is. Additionally, Samsung is said to be releasing an updated DeX accessory which allows you to use your device as an Android-based computer. If someone was to plan on using that extensively, the additional storage would certainly be welcome. OnLeaks has posted a photo showing the side-by-side comparison of the screen protectors of the Galaxy S8 Plus and the Galaxy S9 Plus. These two seem to be quite similar, though the S9 Plus's front panel seemed to be wider and the bottom bezel is noticeably thinner. And there's not much to do about the side bezels, they are as thin as they're ever going to get. That said, the S9 Plus is expected to launch side by side with its sibling, the S9, at the end of February if Samsung decides to launch those two devices during MWC in Barcelona. It's worth noting that Samsung may opt to host a separate event in March instead, as the company did last year. So we'll just have to wait and see. In the meantime, subscribe for all the updates on the S9, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.